Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Touchpad if it's not working and there's no cursor on your ASUS laptop. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta find the tab button or tab key on your keyboard. Press it until you find these highlights, okay? Make sure that you're under search and hit on enter. And once that's done, go and find Touchpad settings, okay? Hit on enter. And then once that's done, press tab again, okay, until you find or until you are at the touchpad toggle, okay, this on and off right here. Make sure that this one is toggled on, all right? And then once that's done, you should now be able to see your mouse right here, okay, and your touchpad should now be working. Now, if that still won't work, again, on your keyboard, you got to press function key and then F6 right here for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then after that, go ahead and check if it helps. Okay. You will have to press function key and F6 simultaneously. Okay. Again, for 5 to 10 seconds. Now, if that doesn't work, try F7 with function key right here or F6 until it works. Okay. And that is how you fix your touchpad if it's not working and no cursor on an ASUS laptop. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.